Hey, hey, Mark here in the Fan Cave. I am opening what I hope is a new watch. That's the only thing I believe I got. Now, this is a Casio solar powered watch. There's a nice little display stand here. Called a Tough Solar. Self-charging, solar-powered. Guess I can take the protective cover off. Shiny. Yeah, I got this on Amazon Prime Day. I think it was about 30 bucks. But Casio makes a good product, and now the band, if past its prologue, then the band's probably going to start getting cracks and pinching me in a few years. You know, probably it'll last about 2-3 years. But yeah, as of now, maybe one more notch just to tighten it up a bit. And okay, that might be a little too tight. Worst case scenario, I can always poke another hole with a scratch awl, but I think that should be fine, even though it's not 7-Eleven. It's 9:31 p.m. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. It's very light, which I like. I don't like heavy watches. In fact, my current... Oh, it's a little hard to flick this thing out of the way. There we go. Yeah, my current watch that I wear on a daily basis is a Timex Easy Reader. And I think... hard to tell which one's heavier. I think the Timex might be a little bit heavier. This is very light. I like it. And okay, and it's not like the nice blue indigo light, but it does have a light on it, which is enough for me. So let's see how easy it is. There's a little, yeah, try. Not entirely sure how to set it, but I'm pretty good at, I don't know what TYO means, but Cell, BJ's, Hookug, Sin, Bakaka, Ruggin, Dak, Ktum, Del, Kai, Kabul, Dixib, Thur, Jed, Mao, Jers, Kai, Ath, actually, I might have been Cairo and Athens, Stowe, Burr, Rom, Par, Mad, Lon, Liz, oh, okay, it's probably London and Lisbon, Utuk, Rye, Fen, is that Fenway? I mean, that's Boston, so maybe that's Rio, okay, Yit, Yuz, Skull, Neek, oh, New York City, alright, so I'll go with New York City since that's the closest off, 12-hour, aha, here we go. 134. Oh, 2005. No, it has been 2005 for a while. It was 18 years ago. How the hell was that 18 years ago? Anyway, it's 23, and what's this? July something. No, it's August now. Scheiße. My telephone go. Ah, calendar. That's what I'll look at. Okay, so Monday the 7th. How did that happen? So try that again. 8. 5, 6, 7. Key with a music note. I don't know what that means. There's a keynote speaker. LT1. No, I don't have a. It's the Corvette of watches. There we go. PS on. I don't know what that means. What's a PS? Alrighty then. Well, that's as good as it's gonna get. I just want to make sure an alarm isn't gonna go off or anything. Oh well. Yeah, so far I'm impressed. Not bad for a $30 watch. I just like relatively inexpensive watches that last forever. In my experience with Casio is they do last forever. So I've had a few of them over the years, and they are pretty amazing. So other than the band's usually crap, but I mean, not bad for what they are. They last at least a couple of years before they start cracking. So, and then just get another bands, which I've done. So anyway, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Good night and good luck.